Hello kids, today we are going to revise rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals, types of rocks and minerals. Okay, first of all tell me, what are rocks? What are rocks? Listen here. The earth is made up of several layers of rock. Yes or no? The earth is made up of several layers of rock. The solid parts of the earth's crust are called rocks. There are three types of rocks are there. Igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. In igneous rocks, granite, pumice and basalt. Granite, basalt and pumice. This type rocks will come. Okay. The interior of the earth is very hot. It is filled with a molten, semi-molten rock mixture that is called the magma. The interior of the earth is very hot because it is filled with a molten, semi-molten rock mixture that is called magma. Due to the intense heat and pressure, deep inside the earth, the hot magma at a time rise up through the cracks in the crust or by the way of volcano eruption. The magma that flows out of a volcanic eruption is called the lava. This magma or lava, upon a cooling, solidifies into a type of rocks that is called the igneous rocks. In Latin word, igneous means fiery. Igneous rocks are the oldest type of rock on the earth. Granite is the most common igneous rocks and is formed when magma cools slowly under the ground. Granite is found in a grey color, pink color and deep red or black. Pumice is a unique light porous rocks formed when the molten lava cools very quickly. During this rapid cooling, gases get trapped inside it and then escape through the pores, thus making it look like a sponge with a small holes pockets inside it. Now see, basalt. Basalt is a dark colored igneous rocks with a glassy finish. This rock is the most commonly occurring rocks on the earth's crust. Next, second number is sedimentary rock. Rocks that are exposed to the force of the nature, such as a wind, rain, hail, intense heat of the sun, wear out over time. This process is weathering of rocks. This is because of them to wear out particles by particles. Sedimentary rocks are that those are exposed to force of nature, such as a wind, rain, air, hail, intense heat of the sun, wear out over time. This process weathering of rocks, this causes them to wear out particles and particles by particles. In sedimentary rocks, conglomerate, sandstone, shale, limestone are there. Types of sedimentary rocks: conglomerate, sandstone, shale, limestone. Conglomerate rock consists of coarse gravel, stones, pebbles which solidify into an uneven looking rock. Look in this picture, kid. Conglomerate rock consists of coarse gravel, stones, pebbles which solidify into an uneven looking rock. Even it shows patches of different colors. Okay, now see next, sandstone. Sandstone, as the name suggested, sand is made up of sand particles and rock grains cemented with some minerals. It contains mostly quartz grains and is a soft rock, mostly yellow, brown, pink, and or in a red color also are there. Next is a shale. Shale is the most abundantly found sedimentary rock. Third type is a shale. Conglomerate, sandstone, shale. Shale is most abundantly found sedimentary rock. It is a fine-grained sedimentary rock made up of clay and mud deposited as the silt on river beds and at the mouth of the river. It is in grey color. Next one is, fourth one is limestone. Limestone is a commonly found sedimentary rocks and is mainly made up of mineral calcite. Some of it formed in the seas when bits of rock, coral, shells, skeleton remains of a tiny sea creatures sink down to the seabed. Okay? Do you know the Great Pyramid consists of more than 2.3 million limestone rocks. This is the Great Pyramid consists of 2.3 million limestone blocks, not a small limestone blocks. It is built by 1.3 million limestone blocks. Next one is Metamorphic Rock. Okay. In Metamorphic Rock, 4 types are there: quartzite, gneiss, slate, marble. Metamorphic rocks are formed when igneous and sedimentary rocks that have been buried deep inside the earth undergo changes to the intense heat and pressure present there. How metamorphic rocks formed? Do you know? Metamorphic rocks are formed when igneous sedimentary rocks that have been buried deep inside the earth. That rock undergoes changes due to the intense heat and pressure present there. The word metamorphic rocks itself means undergo or changes in form. Metamorphic means undergo a change in form. In metamorphic rocks, 4 types are there: marble, quartzite, slate and gneiss. Quartzite is formed from the sandstone. It is used in making statues. Marble is formed from limestone. Marble is formed from limestones. It can be curved and polished easily, so that this is widely used. We often find marbles, monuments, statues, because it can be curved easily, polished easily. Now slate is hardened shell. A sedimentary rock, it is used in making slates, blackboards. Now next one is gneiss. This gneiss is metamorphic rock of granite and has attractive streaks of light and dark bands. Gneiss has attractive streaks of light and dark colored bands. Okay? Understood the kids? Now see here, one chart is there. Name of the ore and minerals. Metal obtained. Name of the ore or mineral. Metal obtained. Bauxite. Okay, it is the ore. Which mineral we obtained? Aluminium. From bauxite we obtained aluminium. From cinnabar, mercury. From galena or which metal we obtained? Lead. From magnetite ore we obtained iron. From calamine ore we obtained which metal? Zinc. Zinc metal we obtained. We get a zinc metal from calamine ore. Copper pyrite. Copper pyrite ore and metal copper. Hematite, it is the ore, and which metal we obtain from this hematite ore? Iron. Okay. Cassiterite, we obtained tin metal. Cassiterite ore, we obtained from cassiterite ore, we obtained which metal? Tin. These are the ores and metals. Those are we obtained from the ores. Now see minerals. Rocks are made up of substances called the minerals. Naturally occurring minerals are tanzanite, red beryl, zircon, diamond, graphite. Tanzanite, red beryl, zircon, diamond, graphite. These are which type of minerals? Naturally occurring minerals. They occur naturally on the earth or deep inside the earth. Minerals are usually solid and are not of any plant or any animal origin. Some minerals are extracted from the sea salt present in the seawater. Diamond, graphite are some minerals found below the surface of the earth. Rocks may contain one or many minerals, metals such as iron, copper, aluminium, occur as a part of a rock containing a useful metals in a large quantity along unwanted substances are called the ores. What are ores? Rocks containing a useful metals in large quantity along with a unwanted substance that is called the ore. Minerals are two types, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Those contain metals, that minerals are called metallic minerals. They are used to make wires, coins, pots, pans, machines, vehicle parts, etc. And the minerals, those are containing just like graphite, granite, diamond and graphite are called the non-metallic minerals. Minerals containing a diamond, graphite are non-metallic minerals. Understood, my kids? Minerals, types of minerals, ores, stones, types of stones. Yes or no? Correct, yes. So that, what next? Today's homework. What is the homework? You read the lesson once, twice, and remove the small point. Point means just like a word mineral. What is mineral? Types of minerals. Ore. What is ore? Rocks. How rocks are formed? Types of rocks. Give example to that one. Rocks. Uses of rocks. Where we'll get that type of rocks? Understood, my kids? Okay. Thank you for watching the video.